Hi, welcome back to a cake baking video. Today's cake is Oreo biscuit cake. We are going to make this cake in pressure cooker. So take a small pressure cooker pan and brush it nicely with oil. And for this we need 4 pack of Oreo biscuits. Now for making this cake we have to separate the cream and separate the biscuits. I have put the biscuits in the jar and cream in the bowl, and now we have to powder these biscuits. And once you grind it in the mixie, you will get a fine powder of your biscuits like this. And to this I'll be adding 1 cup of milk. To this I'll be adding half teaspoon of baking powder. And then mix it nicely, and then add this mixture into the cooker. And now close the cooker and don't put the whistle on top of it, and place it on a pan which is preheated for 10 minutes. This is an old pan on which I'll be making the cake. And once you bake the cake, after 30 to 40 minutes, just insert a toothpick or a knife and check whether it comes out clean. If it comes out clean, your cake is perfectly baked. And make sure your stove is always on low to medium heat only. And once you tap, you will get a cake cleanly outside. You can see how soft and fluffy it is, and you need very less ingredients for this. If you have a pack of biscuit and milk, you can easily make this. And for cream part, to the cream of Oreo biscuit, I have added some warm milk and mix it, and so till the cream is melted into the milk. And to this I will be adding some choco chip because I want a chocolate cream frosting. Pour it generously on the cake and spread your topping. And once I finish spreading it, I would like to decorate it with cherry. So you can easily prepare this cake if you have few biscuit packets at home. Milk is easily available in everybody's home, and baking powder is also available at everybody's home. So you can make this quick cake and satisfy your sweet desire. Do enjoy the cake and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do try this recipe at home, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Bye till we meet in the next recipe.